Hey guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and without a doubt, last year's Realme Narzo 20 was a success. With a budget-friendly price and gaming-capable hardware, a lot of people, including us, found it worth the price. Now, Realme's sub-brand Narzo just announced their second addition to the line, which is this Narzo 30A. And it's got a lot of similarities to the Narzo 20, but definitely expected at a lower price tag. Before we get into it, just a quick note that similar to the Narzo 20, this Narzo 30A is a Lazada exclusive deal for the Philippine market, so it will only retail through Realme's official flagship store on Lazada. Alright, now that's said and done, let's roll that intro. Checking out this bright blue box, it opens up by sliding to the top or bottom, and immediately we get the smaller box that says Feel the Power. It contains the SIM ejector tool and all the paperwork. Then there's the phone itself, which we'll set aside for now, while other things included are its power adapter and USB Type-C cable. And that's everything. When it comes to design, the Realme Narzo 30A features a polycarbonate rear panel with a similar camera module and fingerprint scanner placement to the Narzo 20. That's a square cam module on the upper left and the rear fingerprint scanner on the upper middle. There's a bit of a twist in design as this Narzo 30A flaunts a diagonal strip textured pattern that makes it less prone to smudges. Having it in this laser black color makes it look smart and tough. By the way, it's also available in laser blue if you're interested. Located on the left side are its dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot that can accommodate up to 256GB. Meanwhile, on the right side sits the power button and volume rocker that are both easy to reach. There's nothing on top, while at the bottom you can find its loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the headphone jack, which is always nice to see. On the front-facing side of things, we get the same 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop IPS display as the Narzo 20. We also get a pre-installed screen protector on top. We do get an outdated front camera on the upper middle with a front speaker on top of it. It's complemented with slim bezels and a slightly thicker chin. Scrolling through, the Narzo 30A runs on Android 10 skinned with Realme UI 1.0. But it is expected to get an upgrade to Realme UI 2.0 that's based on Android 11 in the third quarter of 2021. Under the hood, it's equipped with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor that's paired with a Mali G52 GPU, and locally we get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Additionally, it also packs a whopping 6000 mAh battery with 18 watts of fast charging and support for reverse charging. This configuration is similar to the Narzo 20 that we reviewed last year, so you can pretty much expect the same performance. With last year's Narzo 20, we did not encounter any issues and the performance is smooth throughout for casual gaming. If you're curious, here are the benchmark scores that we got from the Narzo 20, and we'll update you on our full review with the results we'll get with this Narzo 30A soon. As for cameras, we get a dual setup at the back consisting of a 13-megapixel main shooter with PDAF and a 2-megapixel black and white portrait lens. Meanwhile, on that small notch is an 8-megapixel front camera. We took it for a quick spin, and here are the sample photos that we got so far. So this Realme Narzo 30A seems like a toned-down version of the Realme Narzo 20 with a few updated features. We'll update you guys with the official price in the description box once it's available, but to give you an idea, in India it starts at 8,999 rupees. Again, the Realme Narzo 30A is a Lazada exclusive deal for the Philippine market, so it will only retail through Realme's official flagship store on Lazada. And that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned for our full review real soon, and don't forget to share with us what you think about this Realme Narzo 30A in the comments below. We'd like to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.